In this video, we're going to be replacing the transfer case motor on this Ford F-150. So we're going to take apart this plug here. I'm going to push down on this tab and pull the plug apart. I'm going to take this plug off of this bracket. I'm going to use a panel tool, a pry tool. Pop the two clips on the back. Now we have access to take off this top cap. We're going to pry up this top cap. Small pocket screwdriver. And just pull that cap back and the wire loom back slightly. And that will give us access to remove this wire from this plug. So I'm cutting this zip tie on the wire loom for better access to move the cover. Okay, so we're going to take this brown wire out of this plug by pulling the pin in the terminal straight out the back. To do that, you have to remove this red clip, a pair of needle nose pliers, pull it straight out. Sometimes you can get a small pocket flathead screwdriver, push up the clip, and pull the wire out the back. I'm going to use a terminal removal kit tool. Push up the clip, pull the wire out the back. Like that. So now we have to pull this brown cable through the weather seal, through the cap, and separate it from this harness. So with a 10mm socket, I'm going to remove this bolt here, this one here, this one here, and this one behind here. One last bolt up top. So try and rock it off. If it doesn't move, sometimes you need a pry bar. Get up behind the motor. See if you can put some leverage on it. There will be a little fluid, so make sure you have a collection bucket set underneath. And just pull the motor straight back. So from the old plug, we're going to remove this tab. A little lock under the front. Grab a screwdriver, pry up. And slide out. Next step, we're going to install our new piece. Make sure to line up your shaft with the motor. You may have to twist it a little bit to line that up. And twist it so the holes line. Start by hand. A couple of bolts. With the 10mm socket, tighten your bolts down. So we're going to reinstall our old clip onto the new plug. Slide it in from the back until you hear it click. Now to put our other wire into the new plug, we have to remove the cap. Grab a flathead screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, and pry up 4 corners. So you're going to remove the cap and push it back as far as you can to gain a little bit more access. I'm going to take your wire, put it through the cap, through the weather pack, and push in. Now sometimes there's a red clip. You may need to remove this clip for the wire to push in and seat. And you'll hear just a slight click once your pin reaches the spot where it needs to be, and it's the same length out as the rest of the pins. What you don't want to forget is to put this clip back in. Just press it in place. You want to take your cap and slide it back down. So now find your old connector and your new connector that we just put the pin in. Press the two together until the locking tab seats. Take these two pins, press them into the new mounting bracket, like so, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.